Hello everyone, myself Narayan Pawar, HOD of Electrical Department at Praveen Patil, College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. Department Electrical Engineering, Subject Electrical Substation Practices, Subject code is 22633, Semester 6. Today we have to study various components of the test cell and function of these component. Okay, so different types of the component used in the substation to provide the electrical supply and maintenance of that equipment. So component such as main switch, fuse unit, then main pilot lamp, push button, motor control switch, control knob, voltmeter, pilot lamp, HT on, control transformer, tripping current transformer, zero start switch, HT transformer, rise or lower the limit switch, circuit breaker, HT contactor, dual switch. So these are the different components used in the substation. Used in 11 kV substation, used in 33 kV substation and different substation to provide the electrical supply as to carry the continuity from one end to the another end. Such as the transformer is the device which transfer electric power from one circuit to another circuit without change in frequency. That is the transformer. So one by one we have to see the function of these component. First, main switch. This is the two-pole switch to make on or off the input power. So that type of the switch are used for making continuity of supply or discontinuity of the supply, such as on and off purpose. So main switch are used for the two purpose, for the on or off purpose. So this is the two-pole switch to make on or off the input power as the function of main switch. Next, fuse unit. So fuse is the protective device which provides the protection of the substation or the power systems to avoid the electrical shock, and the fuse may be the melt out during the short circuit or overload condition. So we have to see the fuse unit. Supply is 240 volt, single phase AC. So fuse is 5 ampere as the rating capacity of that fuse for protection of the circuit. So that fuse unit are used to provide the protection of power systems. And the fuse wire may be the melt out during the overload or short circuit condition. Next, main pilot lamp. That lamp indicate the safe working of the process. It is the neon lamp, that is the color generally red or green color lamp, and the rating of that lamp is 240 volt, that is the rating capacity of main pilot lamp. So that type lamp is indicated as the continuity of the working process, or we have to stop the work, then that lamp is indicated. This lamp is nothing but the indication of the systems as the working of the process, and the color of the lamp is generally red or the green color, and rating capacity as 240 volt with the rating capacity. Next, push button. It is the dual dex button, and this control the signal to HT contactor, motor and strier circuit. As we have to push this button, then the control signal may be the on the HT controller, and motor and strier circuit may be the operate with the help of the push button. So these are the component of the substation of 33 by 11 kV. Then step down transformer are the used in the power systems or substation. Next component, motor control switch. This is used to govern the direction of the motor or change the direction of the motor. It is two-way 3-pole toggle switch. Increase or decrease the output voltage if possible. So by using the motor control switch, we can increases or decreases the output voltage if we have to require. It nothing but the variation of the voltage with the help of that fuse. Nothing but the dimmer types. As we increase the continuity, if we move the knob towards the clockwise direction, then the voltage level may be the increase. If we move the knob towards the anti-clockwise direction, then voltage level may be the decreases, just like dimmer. So motor control switch are used to increase or decrease the output voltage if it is the possible, and this is used to cover the direction of the motor or change the direction of the motor. It is two-way 3-pole toggle switch. That switches are used to increase or decrease the output voltage if possible. Next device or the component of the test cell, and we have to see the function of that component. Next component is that the control knob. This is used to change the output voltage by hand rotation or by motorized rotation. So control knob may be the change the output voltage by hand rotation or by rotation of the motor direction. Then that knob may be the change. So this is used to change the output voltage. So for changing the output, we have to use as the control knob. Next component, voltmeter. To measurement of the voltage, to measure the voltage across the electrode. So we have to use voltmeter. Voltmeter is the connected in primary side of the ST transformer. It measures the voltage in kilovolt. That is the kV. This is the unit representation for voltmeter. Next, pilot lamp ST on. The lamp is indicate ST on when ST contractor, then the contractors is have to the generally energize. As the ST lamp is the on, then that contractor get energized. Next component, control transformer. This is used for getting the desired output voltage. Then control transformer are used. It is an auto transformer operated manually or by motor movement. So as the direction of the knob is increases towards the clockwise direction, then voltage level get the increases with the help of the auto transformer. Auto transformer is nothing but the dimmer. If we have to gradually increase the knob towards the clockwise direction, then the voltage level get increases. If we have move the knob towards the anti-clockwise direction of the auto transformer, then voltage level decreases. So that voltage level or increases or decreases depends upon movement of the knob, as it is the dimmer. This is the control transformer. It is for getting the desired output voltage, and it is an auto transformer operated manually or by motor movement. Next component, tripping circuit. Tripping circuit or tripping current transformer. Tripping city is also the name of the tripping current transformer is that tripping city. It sends the primary current of the ST transformer as high terminal transformer and trip the circuit breaker, and ST is switched off. The primary current increase at the breakdown of the gap with the help of tripping current transformer. Means it is the sense with the help of the relay, just like the relay, the primary current of the ST current transformer and trip the circuit breaker. Trip the circuit breaker means discontinuity of the continuity of the supply with the help of the circuit breaker, and ST is switched off. The primary current increase at the breakdown of the gap with the help of tripping current transformer. Next, zero start switch. Because of this, the unit cannot be energized unless the control transformer is at zero position with the help of zero start switch. I repeat again, zero start switch means because this is the unit cannot be energized unless the control transformer is at 0 position. If the control transformer is the 0 position, then the 0 unit cannot be energized. Means it is having it up in position. That the 0 start switch. That also the component of the test cell, and this is the function of that unit. Next, ST transformer. To rise the voltage from 240 volt in kilovolt to feed the electrodes. It is the oil cool and it is the standard design as per IS rule, and the IS rule of the number is that 6792 and 1972. This is the IS per unit design, and to rise the voltage from 240 volt in kilovolts to feed the electrodes. It is the oil cool and it is the standard design as per IS. Rise or lower the limit switch. Next component as rise or lower the limit switch. This isolates the motor when there is the over travel of the control transformer, then that type of the switch are the used. Rise or lower the limit switch with the help of that isolate the motor when there is the over travel of the current transformer, then that type of the switch are used for lower or rise the limit of that motor with the help of rise or limit switch. Next component, circuit breaker. When the gap between electrode is break down, it trips the circuit and with the help of relay. Means circuit breaker is the device which make or break the circuit under normal and abnormal condition. It receives the signal from the relay, as received the command from the relay, then circuit breaker is the device which isolates the faulty parts and discontinuity of the supply with the help of the trip the circuit breaker, and hence it provides the protection to the power systems, it provides the protection to the substation with the help of circuit breaker. Next, ST contactor. It is used for operation of the high voltage transformer and get connected to the functioning. So that types of the ST transformer are the use. Next, door switch. ST cannot be switched on when the hood chamber is open. So that type of the switch are the use for the door operation. So these are the main component of the substation, and we have to see the different types of the function is there. I repeat again the main component of this circuit or the substation. So component number first is the main switch. Next, fuse limit, that is also known as the fuse unit, main pilot lamp, push button, motor control switch, control knob, voltmeter, pilot lamp ST on, control transformer, tripping current transformer, zero start switch, ST transformer, rise or lower the limit switch, circuit breaker, ST contactor, door switch. So these are the main component of the substation, and it is used in substation to carry the continuity of the supply from one end to another end with the help of these component of electrical power systems. Thank you, students.